So this is the before. Okay, so pulling the door panel off, the 10 minutes that it takes is definitely worth it because you're able to get to this nut here with just the socket. Obviously this one, so this one and this one I took off with my impact, and that one with my ratchet wrench, the stubby one. The instructions are a little vague-ish, but I think I'll be able to figure it out. So here's this additional stud installed. I'm gonna put the weather stripping in, and then I believe the bracket goes inside the door like that. As for these, they're just black and white, so they're kind of hard to tell. Tighten this. Yep, that's in the door. Okay, this is the passenger mirror installed properly. Ran the wire through the little in between the bracket there so that it would be less likely to get caught by the window. And then remove the speaker. Once the panel's out, remove the speaker, and you could fish out the connector just by shoving your hand in here. And the GM was nice enough to make us put on the wiring for the mirrors. Sweet. So here's our new one, here's our old one, original one. Plugs right up, and just stuck it out. Yep, just make sure that it doesn't get caught by the window. Well, this is the end result. Looks pretty on point. The wiring was good. Just literally you just plug and play, super simple. Mega happy with it. My little remote is a little buggy, the controller here, but I'm just gonna get a new one because I found that at the junkyard, I think. Yeah, super happy with the end result.